Since ChatGPT made the news in November 2022, the narrative is humans will be replaced and quickly. But markets discount the chances of Tesla achieving full FSD, which has been making progress through the years of hard AI training. And are these assessments coherent? Please explain what AI is and why it does take trading. So this is a cool question, but it's tricky. So let's jump in. We'll start with the last question first to make sure people are all up to speed and all on the same page. So training is essential for AI because machines cannot automatically perform complex tasks without being taught how to do them, just like a child in school. And during the training process, an AI algorithm is fed large amounts of data in which it learns patterns, relationships, and rules. And this is how it does it. The process allows the AI system to improve its performance and accuracy over time as it learns from the data it's given. And that's kind of why these things need a huge amount of processing power and to be fed a huge amount of data to work. Let's talk about Tesla FSD first and why it is very, very different. So Tesla FSD technology uses a combination of cameras, radar, ultrasonic sensors to collect data about the vehicle's surroundings, which it then processes with an onboard computer to make driving decisions in fractions of a second. And this system uses deep neural networks to process this data to make predictions about what objects and obstacles are in the vehicle's path and how to navigate around them. And Tesla's approach to FSD relies on a combination of computer vision and sensor data to enable the vehicle to drive autonomously. And driving is a lot harder than your typical AI that you have on ChatGPT. So for example, imagine there's a video of this on Twitter. Your Tesla's driving down the freeway and all of a sudden a car flies in the air, a wheel comes off and it's running towards you. The car has to decide in a fraction of a second. Does it go left, right? Does it slow down? Does it accelerate? What does it do to avoid the danger coming its way? That's what it does, and that's why it's very different. Now, MLL AI, MLL is for the machine learning lifecycle, on the other hand, is a broader category of AI technologies that includes deep learning, reinforcement learning, and other machine learning techniques. And MLL AI is not specific to autonomous driving, but it's used in many applications such as image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. That's it. It is nothing to do with making a prediction about an environment or things that happen in an instant that a car has to react to. That's why I believe Tesla is the #1 AI company on Earth today, because they are so far ahead of what this is. Now, in summary, real quick, again, driving is hard, but both Tesla's FSD technologies and MLL AI use neural networks to process data and make decisions. FSD tech is specifically designed for autonomous driving, and MLL AI is a broader category used in various applications like researching a document or summarizing something or whatever else, creating bullets, creating tables, you name it. So it is a very, very different animal. And do I believe it'll have a huge impact on the future? Yes.